Hey everyone, it's a pleasure to have you here at Rocko's Music Factory. Our good friends Baba and Yaya are here today. Hi friends.
Hi Andrew. Hello everyone.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, well, since you asked.
No, not you. Andrew.
I'm doing well myself. Thank you. How can we help you?
Andrew, I've come down with a terrible cold.
And I hurt my back yesterday putting the vacuum cleaner away.
My nose is runny and my voice is scratchy.
Oh, my back is achy and...
Andrew, don't tell anyone, but I think we are getting old.
Hey, speak for yourself.
No, really. Our bodies don't work like they used to. Now they ache and shake.
Well, I suppose I have been getting a little sick more often, and my bones do feel kind of creaky these days.
Interesting. I suppose I know a few good doctors. Or hey, why don't you ask Father to anoint you with Holy Unction?
Oh, unction, of course!
Yes, the holy oil for healing of body and soul, since our bodies and souls need healing. What didn't you think of that?
Oh.
Well, we here at Rocko's Music Factory may not be able to fix creaky bones, but we sure know a thing or two about unction. I bet you Rocko can help us out. Let's check. Rocko. Hey Rocko, how you doing? Great to hear it. Unfortunately, Baba and Yaya are not feeling so great, and I was thinking maybe they could use a refresher on unction. You think you have a song for them?
Here we go. When your back it is aching and your hands start shaking and your muscles begin to lose function, if your heart is feeling emptied and your soul is feeling tempted, then it's time for the priest to give you unction. He'll read a set of 7 prayers and send requests to heaven's ears and remind us of God's aid in 7 gospels. Then he'll anoint you with the holy oil and the devil's plans he'll foil, and all this from a little tiny bottle. For your soul and your body are connected by God. Without the soul, the body does not function. And when the two start faltering, the best way you can alter it is with the sacrament of Holy Unction. In his compassion, Jesus Christ, the great physician, Lord of life, can conquer any ailment that he pleases. And for any kind of pain you feel, if you have faith, then he can heal all bodily and spiritual diseases. If you feel your flesh won't make it, and you think your soul can't take it, and your life is stuck at some unmoving junction, the only wise solution seems to seek the blessing of the King and humbly seek the mystery of unction. For your soul and your body are connected by God. Without the soul, the body does not function. And when the two start faltering, the best way you can alter it is with the sacrament of Holy Unction. Through the church is the hospital, unending and unstoppable. Her prayers bring you both healing and compunction. So just like the apostle said, come to the church, anoint your head, prepare to receive the grace of unction. For your soul and your body are connected by God. Without the soul, the body does not function. And when the two start faltering, the best way you can alter it is with the sacrament of Holy Unction.
I'm so glad we were anointed with Holy Unction tonight. Oh, yes, me too. And I know that God will heal us however he sees fit.
And look, my little grandson drew me this picture to make me feel better.
Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. What is it?
No clue.
Oh, it's so
Isn't he
beautiful.
so talented?
Is any among you sick? Let him call for the elders of the church, and let them pray over him, anointing him with oil in the name of the Lord.